Welcome to a fantastic opportunity here on Riley Road. This property is all about location, lifestyle and substance. The location is stunning, a stone's throw from the river, parks all around us. The lifestyle offering is beautiful here in the western suburbs, close to all of the amenity. And the substance is in the 4-bedroom home that includes a beautiful large ground floor main bedroom suite. Let's have a look through.
Pale moonlight, but don't forget who's taking you home and in whose arms you're gonna be. So darling, save the last dance for me.
The floor plan is so versatile. It's 2 stories, but it really lends itself to single level living. Here we are, north side, open plan kitchen, lounge and dining, opening to 2 fantastic sun-filled courtyards.
Laugh and sing, but while we're apart, don't give your heart to anyone. And don't forget who's taking you home and in whose arms you're gonna be. So darling, save the last dance for me.
And here it is, the ground floor main bedroom suite, more than king size, lots of built-in robes and a fantastic large ensuite bathroom.
I will never, never let you go. I love you oh so much. You can dance.
The second level of the home continues the versatility and the functionality. We've got a bedroom with an ensuite bathroom, plus another 2 bedrooms serviced by the 3rd bathroom.
If you're all alone, can he
So there we have it, location, lifestyle and substance in a plum position here on Riley Road in Claremont. We cannot wait to show you through.
and in whose arms you're gonna be.